why
Kungako ke
we may be believers.
singaba makholwa
We enjoy verses,
siwajabulele amavesi
enjoy songs,
ingoma sijabulele
but live under fear.
kodwa siphile phasi kwekwesaba
We enjoy verses.
siwajabulele amavesi
We dance and praise the Lord,
sijayive sidumise uNkulunkulu
but we live under a cloud of depression.
kodwa sihlale phansi kwemoya wekuthi sibe phasi nje emoyeni yethu
We fear the night.
sesabe bumnyama
We fear certain places.
sesabe tindzawo letitsite
There are places we know I cannot go there.
kunetindzawo la wathi khona ukuthi lapha ngeke ngikhone kuya
Why?
leni
Not because there is somebody there,
hayi ngoba kukhona umuntu lokhona lapha
but there is a spirit of Ehud in the heavenly places.
kodwa kukhona umoya wa Ehudi kuletindzawo letimoya losemkhathini.
And some go to the extent because of this spirit of the Hittite.
Labanye baze bafika esigabeni sekuthi ngenxa yalo moya wePhittite.
Some go to the extent of committing suicide.
Labanye bafika esigabeni sekuthi baze batibulale.
Some are bothered by thoughts.
Labanye bahlushwa imicabango.
Let me kill myself.
Hayi angitibulale.
Why?
Leni.
You don't feel you qualify to enjoy the promises of God.
Awutiveli utikhanze ufanele ukuthi wemukele tithembiso taNkulunkulu.
You don't feel victorious.
Awutikhanze ungumuntu loncobako.
You feel defeated.
Utiva ngathi usehluleke.
You feel nothing ever will change and work for you.
Uva ngathi usikude lotakhambela kahle wena vele usehluleke.
Discern the season.
Hlola tikhathi.
When it's a season of peace, enjoy peace.
Nabe kusikhathi sekuthula jabulela uthokodele kuthula.
When it's a season of warfare, take on the whole armor of God
Nabe kusikhathi sekulwa yembatha tonke tikhali takomoya.
and fight the good fight of faith.
Ulwe kulwa lokuhle kulwa kwekukholwa.
Just as Ahab was shot by an arrow.
Njengoba na Ahabu naye washaywa ubujoki.
Can you quickly read this?
Ake sesifunze masinyane.
Ahabi wakhuluma kuJoshafati wathi mina ngitawungena emkhatsini wemabutho ngiphice umkhondo kodwa wena ungatigcoka tingubo takho tebukhosi. Ngako Ahabi inkosi yaka-Israyeli wase uphica umkhondo wangena emkhatsini wemabutho agcoke letinye tingubo. Inkosi yaseSiriya beyiyale tinduna tayo tetinqola tembi yathi nine ningalwi namuntu lomunye noma emncane noma emkhulu nicondzane kuphela nenkosi yaka-Israyeli. Letinduna tetinqola tembi tasi natibona Jehoshafati tacabanga tathi ngiyo inkosi yaka-Israyeli. Ngako tagucukela kuye tiyakumhlasela. Kodwa wathi Jehoshafati nakakhala amemeda simakadze wamsida. Nkulunkulu wabakhweshisa kuye. Ngobe letinduna tetinqola tembi tathi kube tibone ukuthi akasiyo lenkosi yaka-Israyeli. Tase tiyayekela kumxosha.
That is verse 32.
Verse 32 loyo.
Ahab, in this story,
Ahabu kule story lesi
he tried to hide, he disguised himself
wazama kubhaca watifihla
in the battle.
la esikhathini sekulwa
But
sempi.
because he was the target,
Kodwa ngenxa yokuthi bekade vele kuconzenwe naye.
the enemy soldiers
Emasotsha esitha
were able
akhona
to pull an arrow
bakhona kuthatha bujoki
and took a shot towards him.
imicibisholo yabo yaya conza ngco kuye.
The soldiers were at a distance. Take note of that.
Emasotsha abekade abuqalu akhashane
They were not so close.
bekangekho dudane
They were at a distance,
bekade akhashane
but they were able to aim at Ahab
kodwa akukhona ukuthi acondzise ngco uAhab
and kill him.
ambulala.
The spirit of the Hittite
Umoya wemaHittite
is a spirit that brings death. That brings death,
kungumoya loletha kufa
but at a distance.
ube kodwa wona awukhashane.
It's a spirit that operates in the darkness.
ngumoya losebenza ebumnyameni,
It's a spirit that is invisible.
ngumoya longabonakali,
But the acts of the enemy
kodwa imisebenzi yakhe
are visible.
iyabonakala.
When you're using an arrow,
Na usebenzisa buchoki,
you don't need to be close.
akudzingeki ukuthi ube dudane.
You stand at a distance.
Uma nje lapha ube khashane.
Most or every one of us here
Sonke cishe sonke lokusila
can never say,
angeke uthi
I met the devil today.
hayi ngathi sathane ngimbonile namuhla.
But every day,
Kodwa wonke amalanga
the arrows of the evil one
imicibisholo yalomubi
are being shot towards every believer.
ayadutshulwa adutshulelwe aconze ngco kuwe ngamunye ngamunye.
The warfare is so real.
Lembi ibiyaphatheka ikhona.
That's why God says, put on the shield of faith
Ngiko uNkulunkulu athi thathani isivikelo sekukholwa
so that you'll be able to quench the fires
kuze nikhone kumelana nemicibisholo levuthako
targeted towards you
lecondziswe kuwe
coming from the enemy.
leqhamuka kuso sitha.
It is a Hittite spirit behind people who spread rumors and speculations.
Kungumoya wesitha lohambisa tinkhulumo lekungasito liqiniso nemicabango nje leshangathisako.
Bantu mabahleba
When people are gossiping,
abeme baleni nawe ube labaleni.
they don't stand in the open at your presence.
Bathi nangu
They say to you,
ngisho nangixolisile nangu
they say to you, Kolsile,
uyangezelela.
she is just provoking me.
But umoya wenhlebo
Spirit of gossiping,
ubhaca ukhweshe.
it hides itself
It
at a
works in
distance.
darkness.
Usebenta ebumnyameni.
It works behind the scenes
Usebenta ngale masithe.
to work for your destruction.
Kuze kuthi usebentile kuthi ubhubhise wena.
Kuba nemihlangano,
There are meetings,
kube uyathi labanye baba nebangani
others have got friends
babe bagijelwe ngumoya wema-Hittites.
who have got the spirit of the Hittite.
Umoya wema-Hittites
Spirit of the Hittite
usita labanye bathole bangani
help others to find friends
ngekuthi bakhone ukukhuluma kabi ngalabanye.
by colluding and being one in gossiping others.
Ngalama emagama,
In other words,
mangabe lo moya wem-Hittite ungekho,
when the Hittite spirit is not there,
kunebantu labalahlekelwa bangani.
there are those who will lose friends.
The Hittite spirit
Moya wema Hittite,
is the spirit
umoya
that sends fear to you.
lo letha kwesaba kuwe.
Dinengi izinto letinhle tiba sembi kwakho,
Many beautiful things in front of you,
but uqale kwesaba.
but you are afraid.
Uyasaba ukuzama lokho,
You are afraid of trying this.
uyasaba kudla lokho,
You are afraid of eating this.
uyasaba kuya lapha,
We are afraid of going there.
uyasaba kucanca lapha.
We are afraid of climbing up there.
Wena nje uzohlala la
You are just saying, I will stay
kuze
here
kubuye inkosi.
until the Lord comes.
The spirit of the Hittite
Moya wema Hittite,
is the spirit that instills fear.
ngumoya lofaka kwesaba.
Uma ngalethi sesitamthini ngoba phela uzivakashele sekumele ahambe seng9 ebusuku.
You just wonder to say, the person has visited us, but now it's at 9 at night.
Nguye lokhethe ukuhlala all this time eva bunanzi bekuba la
Usolwahleli nje kwaze kwahlwa impela.
sekumele ahambe.
Now kufuneka he must go.
Ngiyawuhamba ngithini?
Then say, how will I go from
Kanti
here now?
sekumnyama kangaka.
Outside is so dark.
Sewungaze ulale ecasini just because of fear ukuthi uhambe ubuye uyolala embhedzeni wakho.
Are you going to sleep on a mat just because you are afraid instead of going and sleep on your nice bed?
It is a spirit that disguises as a friend,
Ngumoya lo tiveta kungazuthi uwe umoya wemhlobo,
yet it is deadly.
kodwa kungumoya lobulalako.
Jesu
Jesus
uthi kuJudas,
says to Judas, Judah,
sewungithengise ngekiss.
you have sold me with a kiss.
Ngoba Judas weta kwangazuthi uyamthanda.
Judah came to Jesus as one who loves him.
Uta with a smile.
He comes with a
But
smile.
ngesicabuzane bazalwane ngoba
We won't kiss, brethren, don't worry.
Uta une smile Judas.
Judas comes with a smile on his face.
Uthi njengalokhu uSatana athine nawe Jesu ukuthi sithandzana kanganani.
As we know that we love each other so much,
Let me throw my arms around you, Jesus.
may I just hug and embrace you, Jesus.
Gani, it's a sign of betrayal.
Leyo bekade kuyinkhomba yokuthi uyamthengisa.
Gani kunebantu labemile ukuthi lona lamhagako siyamthatha.
There were people who were watching and looking to say, the one that he will embrace is the one.
That is the spirit of the Hittite.
Umoya loyo wemaHittite.
Ngalesinye isikhathi umHittite angakupha nekudla,
At other times, the Hittite may give you food,
akuphe nemali,
give you money,
akugibelise emotweni yakhe
give you a nice ride,
ngoba ufuna story lesimnanzi.
just because he wants a nice story from you.
Hittite spirit.
Umoya wemaHittite.
But remember,
Kodwa khumbula,
don't fight any human being.
ungalwi nanobe ngangubani.
It's not against flesh and blood.
Akusiyo impi yenyama nengadi,
It's against powers,
kodwa impi yebabusi.
against principalities
Kulwa netikhulu
in the heavenly places.
emimoyeni lesemkhathini.
Through discernment,
Ngenxa yekuhlola,
Jesus knew when a spirit of the enemy was standing between him and his destiny.
wakhona kubona uma umoya wesitha sowume embi kwakhe kanye nala kufuneka aye khona.
And therefore he was able to say
Wakhona Jesu ukuthi athi
to the spirit
asho kulo moya
that was working through Peter,
lobekade usebenta ngaPetro,
he was able to discern
wakhona kuhlola,
and say, no, this is not my friend Peter.
wakhona kubona ukuthi akusesuye ke Petro
This
sakhuluma
one
naye.
standing against my destiny,
Lona lose emelene nesiphetho sami
it's not Peter.
akusesuye Petro.
Therefore, I'm not going to fight Peter.
Ngenxa lokho ngeke ngilwe
I'm
naPetro,
going to fight the spirit
kodwa ngidawulwa nalo
that
moya
is standing against my destiny.
lese imelana nesiphetho
And
sami.
therefore he said,
Ngenxa lokho wathi,
Satan,
Sathane,
get behind me.
suka,
Discern the spirit.
hlola bomoya.
Never hate.
Ungake uqale uzonde noma utonze.
But your assignment is to love and forgive people
Wakho umsebenzi kuthandzane kuxolela abantu
because you are not wrestling against them.
ngoba asilwi nenyama nengadi.
Let us rise up to pray.
Ngicela sisukume bandla sitawuthandaza.
Put on the whole armor of God.
Yembathani tonke tikhali takomoya.
Ngineliciniso bazalwane lokhu ngimile embi kwenu.
I have got this faith and this truth as I stand in front of you, brethren.
Kuneliciniso leNkulunkulu le angicobele ukuthi lifezeke ngami empilweni yakho.
There is a truth that the Lord has anointed that must come to pass in my life.
Kepha kule ncwadi yabaseFesu lesiyifundzako
But in Ephesians, where we have read,
sifunza lelinye liciniso
we read of another truth.
lelingumyalo locondzene naye wonke lokholwako,
That is a commandment to everyone who believes.
to put on the whole armor of God
Kwembatha tonke tikhali takomoya
so that you fight.
kuze kuthi ulwe.
Fight your battles
Ulwe timbi takho
as a child of God.
njengemfana kaNkulunkulu.
Discern the seasons.
Hlola tikhathi.
You must be able to see the footprints.
Kufuneka ukhone kubona tinyathelo.
These footprints are not footprints of peace.
Kuthi letinyathelo leti akusesito tekuthula.
They are calling for me to sound the alarm.
Leti tisho ukuthi angihlabe
There
umkhosi.
is a Hittite spirit here.
Kukhona umoya weHittite.
There is a battle going on here.
Kunembi lekhona la.
Let me not build
Angisukwakha
when it
nyalo.
is time to fight.
Sikhathi sekuthi ngilwe.
Let me not be soft
Angisuba ngilolula nje nalothatha
when
into
it is time to
biyeke.
be hard.
Kodwa sikhathi ukuthi ngiqinise tintfo.
I
nami.
must fight my battles.
Kufuna ngilwe timbi tami.
Like the Apostle Paul says
Njengoba umpostoli Paula uthi
at the end of his journey.
ekugcineni kwempilo
He
yakhe
says, I have fought
uthi ngilwile
the good fight of faith.
kulwa lokuhle kokukholwa.
Never be lazy to fight your battles.
Ungake uvilaphele kulwa timbi takho.
When you enter your closet,
Uma ufika endzaweni yakho lesesithe,
there must be times you are praying soft.
kunetikhasi lapho khona uthandaza, uthandazela phasi.
You are praising and worshiping.
Uyadumisa, uyababata simakade.
But in that very closet,
Kodwa kuleyo ndzawo yakho lesesithe,
you must be able at the same time,
kufuneka futhi uphindze ukhona.
during certain season,
Kuthi ngaletinye tikhathi,
to send your arrows
kuthi ushaye ukuthumela imicibisholo yakho.
towards the Ahab
Uthumele ku-Ehud,
that is fighting against you.
lolwa kanye nawe.
Nobody will fight better than you.
Kude lo ngalwa ngcono kunawe.
You must discern.
Kufuneka uhlole.
I must take my arrows now.
Kuthi ngithathe imicibisholo yami manje.
Thank God for his word.
Siyambonga uNkulunkulu ngelivi lakhe.
From the word,
Kevini
I am picking arrows
ngithatha imicibisholo
to
yami.
shoot against the enemy.
Kuthi ngidubule
Thank
ngibhekise
you,
kuso
Jesus.
sitha.
Thank you, Jesus.
Siyambonga Jesu.